Well, hi there pluckers, I've a sore finger again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is in response to a request I've had to do some of the lead work in the Eagles song. I can't tell you why. Okay, well I've done the main solo, hopefully close enough anyway. So this is some of the little bits that I played on the outro of the song. Okay, I still have the capo on the 2nd fret. Okay, standard tuning, capo 2nd fret. When the song gets to the end of the last chorus, you're playing F major 7th to E minor 7th. Okay, so right, and when the final chorus is finished, the chords just keep playing, and the solo guitar comes back in and plays a few licks, and then gradually the song fades out. Okay, so some of the licks, I'll just show you a couple of the licks for you to get your teeth into. Okay, so over the top of F major 7th to E minor 7th, right? Okay, first one he kicks off with is okay, something like that. Okay, which he plays quite a few times, and that's basically a slide on the 5th string from around about the 2nd fret ish, okay, up to the 7th fret. Okay, then he plays the 4th string, the D string, on the 5th fret. So, then he does the slide on the same slide but on the 4th string, the D string, up to the 7th fret, and then frets the 5th fret of the 3rd string, the G string. Okay, so got that slowly. Then plays the 7th fret of the 3rd string. Okay, so far. Okay, and then what I'm doing is you can either slide or hammer on the 2nd string, B string, from the 3rd fret to the 5th fret, okay, like that, or you can hammer it, and you end up on that 5th fret of the 3rd string, the G string. Okay, so the whole thing is, or if you hammer it, whichever is, I think slide's probably better, but it's up to you, your choice. So he does that 2 or 3 times, and then he puts the odd one in at the end, which is okay, so he gets almost to the end of it. When he gets to that far, he then bends the 8th fret of the 2nd string up a tone, and then holds it there for a little while, lets it go, and then plays that the 5th string. I'm not talking about the 5th fret of the 2nd string, B string, 5th fret. So, okay, so from the beginning of the solo, I'll do 3 of the normal ones and then 1 of the ones with a bend. Okay, so. This one, okay, something like that, and then there's the other one where it goes something like that. There's that as well. So all that is basically is 9th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, 9th fret from the capo. It's a 7 to 9 on the 3rd string, 7 to 9 on the 3rd string, slide, then 8th fret on the 2nd string to 10th fret on the 2nd string. Got that? And then we go to the 12th fret of the 2nd string, and we do a slight bend. It's not a massive bend. You're only going up one note, okay? That's the note you're bending to, okay? So you bend it up, let it go, down to the 10th fret, 8th fret, 10th fret. And then we just repeat, so 10, 8, 10, bend on the 12th, that sort of thing. So those are the two main things in the outro. Just mix and match, okay? So just a couple of ideas for you, okay? And then you can do. There's all sorts of little things you can put in yourself, but those are the two main things that stick out to me, are the anything like that. Okay, so anyway, those are the things to fade out on, okay, something like that. And if you've got echo and reverb on and all the rest of it, it'll sound absolutely wonderful, I'm sure. Okay, thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.